Hello and Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to the BSS Tech. So today we are introducing the new tab, Design tab. In Design tab you can simply select any kind of a template for your presentation slides, just like this, this, this. If you want if you want more, you can simply select from here. And if you want to browse your themes, you can simply select browse for theme and you can take it from online. And if you want any kind of template from here, you can simply select from here. And coming to this, if you want to make this, or you can simply decide. If you want to change colors, you can simply select from there. Here are the variation of colors. You can simply select any kind of variation color. If you want to change fonts, you can simply select from fonts option and it will give you many kind of fonts if you want to make your affordable price. So if you want to give from here, if you want to give effects, you can simply select any kind of effect from here. If you want to give effects to your text, you can simply select from any kind of effect from here. If you want to give background styles, if you want to format your background, and you can simply give it a black, gray, or simple light gray. If you want to give it a white look, you can simply here, and you can simply, if you want to format background, you can simply select format background. If you want to make your slide a widescreen slide or a standard size, you can just simply select from here. And if you want to make your custom slide, simply select custom slide, enter your height and width and a type of slide, if you want a portrait or landscape, and click OK. And if you want a background, format your background of slide, you can simply select from here, and you can simply edit your background also from here. If you want to make it a picture, you can simply select a texture or a picture, or if you want to hide background graphics, you can select, and any kind of settings you can do it from here. Thank you. So we can start the transition tab in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.